Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Gene Fitletics. Do you know 9.3% of the global adult population suffer from diabetes, 40% face digestive issues, 1/3 of total deaths are attributed to cardiovascular diseases, and above all, 41 million people die prematurely every year due to chronic diseases. Our current healthcare model, which we see today, has not been able to figure out what it takes to cure these chronic diseases. The fact of the matter is, the healthcare model only makes money when we are sick, and they want to keep us sick by managing our symptoms rather than curing diseases. 2,500 years ago, Hippocrates said, all diseases begin in gut, and we have forgotten that. It is time now people should take charge and control back of their health. We have built a product that overcomes the pitfall of the current standard nutrition-led health models and brings sustainable and evidence-based nutrition solutions backed by gut microbial science. Microbes living in our gut determine what is being produced from the food we eat. In other words, either they are releasing beneficial compounds such as short-chain fatty acids and vitamins, or toxic gases such as lipopolysaccharides, ammonia, methane, or hydrogen sulfide when they digest the food we eat. Scientific research and advances have found that one-size-solution-fits-all approaches does not work when it comes to health. What matters is personalized nutrition, unique for every individual based on his or her unique biology. Based on microbial science, the interaction between food we eat and microbes living in our gut that drives the entire digestive process determines unique food responses that can do wonders to an individual health, be it curing obesity, autoimmune disease, diabetes, or other metabolic and digestive disorders. We are determined to lead personalized nutrition from the front by analyzing an individual's gut microbiome. We are bringing revolutionary healthcare at the doors of our customers by decoding their gut microbiome unique for them, to empower them to take actionable nutrition changes through dietary recommendations specifically designed for them. Although traditional nutrition experts believe eating a healthy diet seems like a solution for all worries, all those focused on driving a change in the personalized nutrition space refuse to disregard the importance of individuals' unique gut microbiome in revolutionizing the nutrition sector. We at Gene Fitletics are focused on helping people getting rid of chronic diseases. By sequencing and analyzing an individual's gut microbiome through our Up the Gut solution, our customers can not only learn what is happening inside their body, but also make dietary intervention unique for them, which contemporary stakeholders of nutrition industry never took seriously. Now it is time to bring and embrace that change. Nutrition is not one solution fits all approach. It requires a personalized approach. We need to learn how making small changes in nutrition can improve the function for our gut microbiome. Let us help our friends, acquaintances, and people around us to eradicate chronic diseases from their life dictionary by empowering them to balance their microbiome and improve their gut health. Let us educate them on how their gut microbes, 38 trillion of them, which constitute 99% of the genes that are expressed in our body, can improve their metabolic, digestive, and even mental health. Let us do this together. Introducing first of its kind Edubiome affiliate bioincubation program, an exclusive partnership program to help people improve their health. Now get rewarded for improving health of others. Opening our first pilot class of Edubiome. Time is now to improve our health and that of others. For more details, please click the link in the description given below.